What's happening, everybody? Big T here for another card opening. Today we got Sword and Shield base set packs to go through, and then a Legends of Galar Zacian tin. Never actually opened one of these up, I don't think. I've opened a few of the other ones, but not this particular one. So I'm not sure exactly what cards and packs are inside, but we'll get it going. There we go. Good. Looks like there's a promo card in there, the Zacian V. Right on. Code card there. Okay, we got Rebel Clash, and Sword and Shield base, Burning Shadows, and Evolutions. Okay. Go ahead and start with these Rebel Clash packs first. See what we get out of here. Code card. Psychic Energy, Turffield Stadium, Karkle, Hatrim, Yan Mask, an Applin, Hatena, Aracuda, a Galarian Meowth. The reverse is a Pelipper, and the rare is a Galarian Surfetched holographic. All right, nice. Another Rebel Clash pack here. Code card. Steel Energy, Tool Scrapper, Curse Shovel. We got a Masquerain, Coughing, Bronzor, Toxel, a Litwick, a Lotad. The reverse is a Dragapult. That's a reverse rare, I believe. Yep, nice. That's a cool looking card there. And then the rare is a Cinderace V, full art. Nice. That's awesome. All right. Getting the pulls so far. First two packs. Let's go. Okay, now we got, we'll do this Burning Shadows pack here. Get this guy out of the way with. Code card. We got a Fighting Energy, Rotom Dex, Super Scoop Up, Electabuzz, a Magikarp, Pansear, Cutiefly, Panpour, Pikachu. Reverse is a Krogunk, and the rare as a Passimian, non-holographic. Okay. Let's see what else we got. We got Sword and Shields, and then this Evolutions over here. Let's go ahead and do this guy real quick. Code card. We got a Venusaur Spirit Link, a Magmar, Potion, Machop, a Nidoran, Ponyta, Drowsy, Electabuzz. Reverse is a Charizard Spirit Link. Okay. The rare is a Beedrill. Okay. And we got some Sword and Shield base set. Right on. Code card. The Dark Energy, Potion, Hitmonchan, Galarian Lanoon, Sobble looking sad, Rhyhorn, Roselia, Ferroseed, Krabby. Reverse is a Blipbug, and the rare is a Lapras V. Okay, nice. It's coming out of the card almost. Holy cow, that's freaking sweet. Okay, nice. Not too bad so far. Okay. So Sword and Shield base. Code card. Fighting Energy, Drizzle, Galarian Stunfisk, Pokemon Center Lady, Snom, just being Snom, Grookey, Shelder, Mawile, Galarian Ponyta, reverse is a Pikachu, that's pretty sweet looking, nice. And the rare is a Toxicroak holographic. Nice. Okay. Code card. Steel Energy, Kingler, Hyper Potion, Citrus Berry, Pikachu, Galarian Meowth, Sizzlipede, Wooloo, Grookey. Reverse is a Galarian Lanoon, and the rare is a Centiskorch, non-hollow. Okay. Couple more packs to get into. Code card. Water Energy, Citrus Berry, Corvisquire, Thwackey, Goldeen, Roselia, Ghastly, Pawniard, Sizzlipede, reverse is a Rhyhorn, and the rare is a Stonjourner, non-holographic. Okay. Last pack, Zamazenta. Code card. Lightning Energy, Air Balloon, Pokekid, Heatmore, Silicobra, Mincino, Vulpix, Munna, a Roselia. Reverse is a Doug Trio, scaring the other Doug Trio there. And then the rare is a Drampot, non-holographic. Okay, so we got some pretty decent pulls. That reverse rare Dragapult there. The Galarian Surfetch'd, Hollow, Toxicroak, Hollow, and then these bad boys. Lapras V and the Cinderace V. Not too shabby. Those are some pretty cool looking cards. All right, thanks everybody for watching. See you next time.